can see folks, this is the new Java 42 bomber bike. This is folks, new Java 42 bomber bike. This is folks, new one it is. Features I'm telling you to get the halogen headlamp setup. Halogen headlamp setup you are getting, dipper you are getting, front end red metal disc brake you are getting folks. You are getting this halogen headlamp setup. Halogen headlamp setup, dipper, front end red wheel disc brake. Yeah, and two mirrors and yeah. Two mirrors, front and rear metal disc brake, halogen headlamp setup, dippers. And this bike is awesome folks. You should go for this bike immediately. Should go for this bike immediately folks. Yeah, should go for this bike immediately. New bike it is, Java 42 bomber. Front and rear metal disc brake you are getting, dipper you are getting, front and rear metal disc brake, dipper, halogen headlamp setup, and yeah, awesome bike it is folks. As you can see, yeah, awesome bike it is folks. You should go for this bike immediately, telling you right away. Bike is awesome folks, new good bike it is. Awesome bike it is folks. Yeah, then you do get this halogen headlamp setup with the two dippers, halogen headlamp setup with the two dippers, an instrument cluster, a front and rear wheel disc brake, two tires are there usual in every bike, and yeah, bike is awesome folks. You go for this bike immediately, telling you right away. Do get this instrument cluster, a good power packed instrument cluster you're getting in this Java 42 bomber bike. Good, yeah, it's a neat, what do I call it, it's a neat instrument cluster. Yeah, a good neat instrument cluster it is. Then yeah, neat instrument cluster it is. And is there ABS is there, side stand is optional when the bike is standing. And yeah, 42 bomber badging is there folks. Buttons are there, good buttons are there, Java badging is there, Java motorcycle badging, 42 bomber badging, 42 bomber badging, seats are comfortable. Then we come to this rear part of the Java 42 bomber bike folks. Two dippers are there, lights are there, two dippers, lights are there. Then this for the rear you are getting this also. Yeah, this LED number plate light is there, LED number plate light is there. Yeah, sturdy bike is there, awesome bike it is so should go for this bike immediately. Awesome bike it is, awesome bike it is. Sturdy tires are there, good sturdy tires. This is there, this is there. MRF tires you are getting in the Java 42 bomber bike, MRF tires you are getting. Then two dippers you are getting, sturdy bike it is folks, as you can see. Do get this in lots of colors, blue, white, red, and variants I don't know about that variants, but yeah, do get the colors in the Java 42 classical bomber bike. Awesome bike it is folks. Yeah, color is optional, good one. Side look is, yeah, this one is the Java, its company's original founding, Java 1929 original it is, Java 1929 original it is. Yeah, 1929 it was found, Java original. Yeah, then this is there, Java 42 is there, 42 is there, 42 is there. Yeah, Side look is optional, good one. look is good. Yeah, good optional bike it is. Bike is folks, good one. Good bike it is. Jawa 42 bomber bike. Yeah, bike is good folks. Bike is cool. Bike is awesome. Jawa this is. Jawa this is. Yeah. Jawa this is 42 bomber. 42 bomber bike this is folks, as you can see. 42 bomber bike this is folks. Jawa 42 bomber bike it is. Good bike it is folks. Go for this bike immediately. Yeah, go for this bike immediately folks, I'm telling you right away. Go for this bike immediately. And look is also good. Look is good folks. Look is good folks. Yeah, that look is cool folks, you should go for it, I'm telling you right away. Side look is good folks. Look is good, color is good. 42 bomber bike this is folks. Yeah, buttons are there, good buttons are there. You do get the Jawa badging as well. You do get the instrument cluster, Jawa badging. Buttons are there folks. Yeah, yeah, bike is awesome folks, you should go for this blue bike immediately. Yeah, bike it is folks, good one. Yeah, awesome bike it is. Some bike, you should go for it immediately. Some bike folks. Jawa, this is Jawa 42 bomber. Yeah, it does get you do get the blue color in this bike. Blue color, awesome bike it is folks, as you can see. Sturdy tires are there. You get the Jawa badging as well. Some bike folks, comfortable seats. Back look is awesome. Yeah, you do get this indicators folks. Dipper you are getting, light you are getting dipper, LED light for number plate area. Light for number plate area. Yeah, awesome bike it is folks. Awesome bike, good feature folks. Yeah, side looking awesome folks. Go for this immediately. Yeah, good bike. You getting the features, folks. Halogen headlamp setup, 2 dippers, instrument cluster, halogen headlamp setup, dipper, 2 instrument cluster, front and rear metal disc brake, 2 mirrors, blue color Jawa 42 bomber bike this folks. 2025 recently launched folks. This is Jawa 42 bomber bike it is, as you can see. Good bike it is. Bike it is folks.